Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sunita from Articrafty. Hope you all are staying at home doing well. No, I'm not going to ask you this today because I know you all are getting bored doing the same activity regularly. So now I'm here to help you to decorate your home by creating something. So let's get started. Take a black A3 size craft paper of 160 GSM for the main part of the face. Red craft paper of size 8 into 4 cm we need. Square red craft paper of size 4 into 4 cm. Square purple craft paper of size 4 into 4 cm. Keep this paper aside and start making the main part. I have already folded this black paper at the middle. Fold it symmetrically at the middle. Fold it again as I am instructing. Take a scale or ruler for the measurement. Make a mark at 10 cm from the top. From here to the bottom of the paper 18 cm. And divide it into 3 equal parts, that is 6 cm. Now I am making the basic drawing before cutting. Use white gel pen for your convenience. This is the line for the eyes. Make a mark at 1 cm from the edge, and that is 6 cm. Draw a curved line for the eyes. This line is the line for the nose. Take a scale and put a mark at 2 cm below the nose and 2 cm from here also. This is for the lips. Now this is the time to cut the paper. Open it. Cut a strip of paper as I am showing. This strip is for the nose. Measure the length of the nose and mark with a white gel pen. Fold the paper and press. Mark a line at the top and draw a line and cut it along the line. Now we cut the top part as an arrow. Cut the eye, keeping a hard metal plate beneath it. The knife is sharp. Be careful. Children can take help from their parents. Fold the lower part as I am showing. Stuck the nose with the face. For lips, fold the paper and draw a curve. And cut. Take a pencil and bend the lips like this. Take the purple paper, cut 2 semicircles for the eyeball. Make some triangle for decoration. Keep all these things aside. It is the time for assembling. Hold the basic shape at the opposite direction. Paste the eyeballs. Fold and staple. Nice face. Now assemble the nose. Looking nice and beautiful. Put the lips at the slot. Now stick the 2 black triangles here. Stick the red triangle at the top, big at the middle, and 2 small beside it. Draw the eyebrows with white gel pen. Decorate the face with beautiful designs. Make a hole at the back of the face. Now the mask is ready for decoration. You can hang it at the wall of your living room or bedroom. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this today. So please like it, share it and subscribe it. And if you have any suggestion regarding this, please write it in the comment box below. See you in the next episode. Bye.